Good morning. I am Dr. Sathya, working as an assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the polyethylene. Polyethylene is one of the major product in polymeric material. The polyethylene is the most popular thermoplastic material. It's available in different crystalline structures. It's referred to be HDPE, LDPE and LLDPE. The commonly plastic is produced by addition or radical polymerization. It's a very light and synthetic resin made from the polymerization of ethylene. It's a thermoplastic polymer with different type of the crystalline structures. It's extremely very large and variety of applications in nowadays in day-to-day life. So it's called a polyethylene name. Poly means methylene, poly means many, and ethylene. So ethylene, it's polymerization of Hi, good morning. I am Dr. Sathya, working as an assistant professor, Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Engineering. Today, we are going to discuss about polyethylene. Polyethylene is the major type of in polymeric material. It's the most very important and popular in thermoplastic material. It's available in different types, LDPE and HDPE and LLDPE. It's a common plastics are produced by addition and radical polymerization. It's used variety of applications in plastic industry. So now we are discussed in introduction of polyethylene. It's a synthetic resin made from the polymeric of ethylene. So the ethylene molecules combine together to form a polyethylene. So it's the chain reaction. It's a continuous to polyethylene. It's a larger molecule. Poly means many, mer means molecule. So many molecules is combined together to form a large molecule. So the structure on extremely large range of applications, it's called a poly and methylene due to the repeating of CH2 group. The first synthesist German scientist Hans von and Peckmann, who was prepared by the accidentally while the investigation of diazomethane. Diazomethane, it forms a C double bond C. Here polyethylene is easy to distinguish from other plastics because they float in water. So this is the structure of polyethylene molecule. So here the polyethylene molecules are like a chain molecule. CH2 group is it's arranged like a chain. So it's a very big molecule. 4 types of polyethylene molecules are available in day-to-day life. The first one is low density polyethylene, that means LDPE. The second one high density polyethylene, HDPE. Third one linear low density polyethylene, LLDPE. And fourth one, ultra high molecular weight polyethylene, UHMW. So we'll discuss one by one. The first one, low density polyethylene. So the low density polyethylene means it's a semi-rigid monomer with low crystallinity. It has some crystalline character is very low. That means 50 to 60%. So LDPE is composed of 4,000 to 40,000 carbon atoms with many short branches. Compared to the HDPE, it's very looking like very low density also. It has very higher degree and start and long side chain of branching here. So the chemical structure of LDPE looking like some branching like structures. So its name implied is a low density compared to the high density. It has more branching, hence the molecule is less tightly packed and less crystalline due to the side branches. It's also the frequently used in consumer packaging, bags and bottles and linears. The two basic process to produce LDPE is stirred autoclave reactor and tubular reactor. It's a major use of LDPE in applications. So the HDPE is comparably very low branching compared to LDPE. It's a polyethylene made from of petroleum. It's sometimes called it alkylethane and polyethylene used from the pipes. It has some advantages. It's a hardener and more opaque, can withstand in a high temperature. It also has some disadvantages also. It has some low stiffness than polypropylene and high mold shrinkage, very poor UV and low heat resistance, high frequency welding and joining is impossible. So the application mainly HTV is the packaging and consumer good applications. So excellent combination of properties makes HTP is the ideal material. It variety of applications across the industries. Some of the major uses HTPV is packaging application and consumer goods, fibers and textiles also. The third one is linear low density polyethylene. So it's a more flexible type of polyethylene. The structure is has the linear backbone with short and uniform branches, unlike the longer branches of LDPE. So these short branches are able to slide against the each other to upon the elongation without becoming the enlarged like LDPE. So it's very manufacturing from polymerization of ethylene with one butene and smaller amounts of one hexene and one actine. So this process occurs using Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Next one is ultra high molecular weight. Ultra high molecular weight is the most molecular weight between 3.5 to 7.5 million AMU. This is about the 10 times higher than the HTPE resins. So both HTPE and UHMWPE have similar appearance, but UHMWPE is the tough and abrasive resistance. It's very low cost plastic. It's suitable to industrial and manufacturing applications. Whether it's a friction and wear may be a concern. So it's odorless and tasteless and non-toxic. It has extremely long chains, which resulting very tough material and with a high impact strength of any thermoplastic presently made. So this is the structure of low density polyethylene and linear low density polyethylene and high density polyethylene. So I have two questions. Which is the following kind of polyethylene has highest degree of chain branching? So already we discussed here which one has the highest degree of chain branching, LDPE, HTPE or LLDPE. It cannot be determined. The second question is as compared to low density polyethylene, the high density polyethylene is weak, strong, rough and strong. So next we will discuss about the properties of polyethylene. The properties of polyethylene, especially in LDPE, is a melting point is 105 to 115 degrees Celsius. So its density about LDPE 0.910 or to 0.940. So gram per centimeter cube. It's a chemical resistance of LDPE is good resistance to alcohol and dilute alkalis and acids. So temperature resistance also up to 80 degrees Celsius. Very low cost polymer with good processability and very low water absorption also in polyethylene. So now also the mechanical properties of polyethylene is low strength and hardness and rigidity, and but high ductability and impact strength as well as low friction. The thermal properties of common commercial grade of medium and high density. So the chemical properties of polyethylene is non-polar and saturated, high molecular weight hydrocarbons. It have very low moisture absorption, that is water absorption is very low. The resist acids and bases, esters, alcohols and hydrocarbons. It does not react with the room temperature. In electrical properties, polyethylene is a very good electrical insulator and also the good racking resistance. Here the optical properties vary between the almost clear and opaque and milky opaque. So here the applications of LDPE. So used in many other applications of LDPE. Its a major application is resolved around the manufacturing container, dispensing bottles and wash bottle, tubing, plastic bag for computer components and various molded laboratory equipments. Is the most powerful application of LDPE is the plastic bags. The HTPE is used in many other applications, especially in consumer goods. Already we discussed in previous slides, and fibers, textiles, and also the used for some dustbins, water pipes. So these are all the very important applications for HTPE. So in LLDPE is used in general purpose of film and garment packaging, agriculture film, etc. Especially in food and non-food packaging and luggage and furniture parts and garden packets used in LLDPE. So the UMW it's used for bullet vest and vehicular armor joint and ligament reconstruction and spinal maxfacial implant. It's used in lot of the applications of UHMW. So thank you.